They're race cars. They have remote controls.
Big Lightning McQueen and a big Francesco.
And you can race them against each other.
There's car, Kathleen. He keeps trying to find out where the music's going.
No, you don't want to lift in there, then you can't hear the song, bud.
Let me see what it says. Dear Khalil, happy 4th birthday. We are glad we can spend your day with you. Love and kisses, Nana and Papa.
That's you. And you.
Papa picked it up.
Well, that was a nice card. I'm glad you guys could come for the rest of this.
Not on 3rd and 7. This is the LSU defense. Good stuff, guys. Hey, talk about facing the best opponent you see.
I got you on a movie camera here, Khalil.
Khalil, wave to Papa.
You got a movie camera? That's awesome.
Yeah, hey, Laney.
Get a couple turnovers, you get a special teams.
Yeah, you can say anything you want to say. It's a moving camera.
Papa, I love you so much.
I love you too, sweetie. We'll look at this right after we're done.
Okay.
Hey, get your brother. And where's that Dominic there? Dominic.
Hey, turn it back to me.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Lainey. What else to do?